Many of you will be familiar with cast iron welding services remanufacturing work on engine cylinder heads. Now we'd like to introduce a new way of looking at this well-established process, focusing on a large reduction of carbon emissions associated with recycling your cylinder heads rather than replacing them. No matter how we operate our engines, and no matter how we maintain our engines, there's always an environmental price to pay. And for decades, cast iron have been associated with compliance, the avoidance of waste, and of course saving money. But now there's a new perspective, a new way of looking at things. Consider for a moment the environmental impact of manufacturing any new component. In 2020, CIWS commissioned a report to make that comparison, comparing remanufacturing with replacement. In collaboration with Reflow Maritime of Denmark, the results were startling. Nearly 8,000 tons of carbon dioxide emitted to the atmosphere when manufacturing a typical cylinder head like this. That's the same as manufacturing a small family car. And the CIWS alternative, just a little over 800 kilograms. A staggering 89% reduction in carbon emissions when you recycle rather than replace. No matter the condition of the cylinder head, CIWS can restore it. Using the same material, with processes developed over decades. On completion, the cylinder head is back to original specification and original dimensions, ready for a new, full life cycle. Recycling makes sense. More than that, recycling makes a difference. Contact CIWS for more information.